If you're selecting any new website, I want to design one new website. How to understanding my website in Google search engine? Google search engine. This very important option is called activate for Google Search Console. Another name is called Google Webmaster. They are logging for 2 URLs. You're using for 3 also. Google.com/webmaster, Google.com/webmasters, Google.com/webmaster/tools. Login for 2 URLs up to 3. So we can log in for here Google.com/webmaster. Click for sign in. Copy the website URL. If website will be static or dynamic, website will be static or dynamic. So you can set it by the option called is. Here will be showing for all options are there. In this, select by the add new website. Add new website. So in this one, select here. Every option will be here. So in this, you can click for here. Every option your website. Our option call is add property. Here, adding website will be 2 pattern with a 33 and HTTPS without, but always set by the URL prefix. HTTPS with the double dot the website.com. Select here. HTTPS is a mandatory field in particular website. Continue. Is a generating one HTML tag. Generating one HTML tag. This code you can find out 51F075. Download. One more process is there. Suppose this file will be not using on your website. One more option is called HTML tag, analytics, Google Tag Manager, domain name provider. So select here which name providing for domain. Select your verify. Copy paste below DNS, configure on this in this code. Where you can provide by DNS, update this code. So in this one, very important one is called download HTML file. Download HTML file nothing but one more option is there, HTML tag. This code we can add by all pages. So your website will be 1000 pages. We can't add by all pages. So that is called for not using for any kind of code. You can use one option is called HTML file download. This will eligible by all pages in one upload file. So download done. Go to cPanel, File Manager. Public underscore HTML, upload, select a file. Remember, when file is uploaded, it is verified. The file is not uploaded, they not verify all pages. They not verify all pages. Download. So go to Google, upload. Now click for verify. Verification failed. The code is error. Verification going to process. Done. Ownership will be accept. Go for done. After click for refresh. Google Search Console main option is called find out your traffic and index your URL purpose. Same like total web search clicks, they find out your website. Each Google Webmaster we can update by the n number of website. So performance 0. Why? I'm updating right now. The performance will be 0. Any existing website, they show your total performance. They're showing total performance. 472 clicks by website clicks. When 33 2092 22/6 2019 up to date. How many clicks? 476 clicks. And your everything. So this all will update by the Google Search Console option. Google Search Console main option is called Index Your Website Search Engine List. Index Your Website Search Engine List. Only supported by Google Webmaster, Google Search Console and Google Search Console partners as AOA Google Search Console relevant search engines. This is called Google Search Engine activation on particular site. Any static, any dynamic to download HTML, upload file, cPanel, file manager, public underscore HTML, upload your file and using format of Google verification code. This activate Google Search Console on particular website.